Alright, question 10. Ruby is installing new sprinklers for her lawn. Each sprinkler head sprays water 12 feet and its angle of rotation can be adjusted between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. If Ruby needs to water a circular sector of a lawn that is about 176 square feet, what is the setting she should use for the angle of rotation? Round your answer to the nearest degree. Okay, so since they're wanting it in degrees and this is about a sector, we're going to use this formula. So the area is equal to the portion of the circle, which is represented by theta divided by 360, or our angle of rotation out of the 360, being multiplied by our area, which is pi r squared. So they give us that the circular sector of lawn needs to be about 176. And they also give us that the radius was 12 feet. Each sprinkler head sprays water 12 feet. So that is our radius. If you were to draw it out, here's our sprinkler head, here's the 12 feet, and notice if the sprinkler head does move, that does create a circle. So we're solving for theta. So I'm going to start by dividing both sides by pi times 12 squared, because that will reduce everything. This will reduce. Pi divided by pi reduces down to 1, and 12 squared divided by 12 squared, since it's the same quantity divided by the same quantity, reduces down to 1 as well. So now on the right hand side we're going to have 176 divided by pi times 12 squared. That still equals theta divided by 360, because theta times divided by 360 times 1, which is what this reduced down to. It's just theta divided by 360. So now I'm going to multiply by 360 again to create a form of 1. So we're going to multiply by 360. So 360 divided by 360 reduces down to 1. So again, I'm left with just theta on this side of the equal sign. And then 360 can be written as a fraction over 1, so then we're going to have numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So 360 times 176, I'm just going to leave it as 360 times 176 and let the calculator deal with that. And then 1 times pi times 12 squared is just pi times 12 squared, because multiplying something by 1 is not going to change its value. So now I'm going to do parentheses for the numerator because there's more than one number in it. So 360 times 176 divided by, and I'm going to do parentheses again for the denominator because there's more than one number in it. It's pi 12 squared. That equals 140. So this is 140 degrees.